Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on JEE Mains 2020 September 6 online paper shift to online paper. Now here question, the alpha beta are the roots of the equation 2x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 1, then beta is equal to. Now here given equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now find roots. Here given equation is. Now roots means minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 by 2 into 4. Okay, minus 2 plus or minus, now root 20, 2 root 5 by 8. Okay, now minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Okay, 2 common. Now 2 ones, 2 fours, minus 1. Here root 5 minus 1 by 4, minus common root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, let alpha is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 value sine 18 degrees value. Okay, beta is equal to minus common root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus of cos 36. Okay, find beta. Alpha value sine 18. Now minus of cos 2 into 18. Okay, cos 2a minus of 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degrees. Okay, now minus of 1 minus sine 18 value is alpha, 1 minus 2 alpha square, 1 minus 2 alpha square. Okay, minus 1, 2 alpha square minus 1. Okay, now alpha is a root of this one. Alpha is root means 4 alpha square, 4 alpha square, 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Now minus 1 equal to minus 4 alpha square minus 2 alpha. Okay, now minus 1 equal to 2 alpha square minus 4 alpha square, okay, minus 2 alpha. Okay, now minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha. Okay, minus 2 alpha is common, minus 2 alpha is common. Alpha minus alpha plus 1, minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha, minus 2 alpha into alpha plus 1. Therefore, beta is equal to minus 2 alpha into alpha plus 1. Now, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the next one. Suppose that a function f mass from R to R satisfies f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all xy belongs to R and f of 1 equal to 3. If sigma I is equal to 1 to n, f of I is equal to 363, then n equal to. Now here also integer type question. Now f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, means f of x is equal to a power x. F of x is equal to a power x. Now since given f of 1 equal to 3, now f of 1 is equal to a power 1. Now f of 1 value is 3. Now a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Therefore, f of x is equal to a value 3 means 3 power x. F of x is equal to 3 power x. Okay, now sigma I is equal to 1 to n. F of I is equal to 363. Okay, now f of x value 3 power x. Okay, I value 1 means f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus up to so on is equal to 363. Okay, f of 1 value 3, f of 2 value 3 square, 3 cube plus up to so on is equal to 363. Now here given series are in GP. GP Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 363. Okay, now 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 242. Now 3 power n equal to 243. Now 3 power n equal to 3 power 5. Therefore, n value is 5. N equal to, therefore n is equal to 5. Next one, if the tangent to the curve y is equal to x into log x base c at a point C f of c is parallel to the line segment joining the points 1 0 and e comma e, then c is equal to. Okay, now given curve f of x is equal to x into log x base c. Okay, now find f dash x. Okay, now derivative of f of x. Okay, now slope of tangent. Okay, now apply UV formula, x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x base c and x derivative is 1. Now 1 plus log x base c. Okay, now at the point to c comma f of c, now f dash c is equal to f dash c is equal to 1 plus log c base c. Now here, and also slope of these points, now m is equal to y2 minus y1 e minus 0 by e minus 1. Okay, e by e minus 1. Okay, therefore both here f dash c is equal to, both are equal. Now 1 plus log c base c is equal to e by e minus 1. Okay, now log c base c is equal to e by e minus 1 minus 1. Now 1 by e minus 1, 1 by e minus 1. Okay, now log c is equal to log c base c is equal to 1 by e minus 1. Now c is equal to e power 1 by e minus 1. Okay, now c is equal to e power 1 by e minus 1. Option 1 is the correct one. Next one, Evaluate integral 1 to 2 e power x into x power x into 2 plus log x base c dx is equal to, let I is equal to, integral 1 to 2 ex power x 2 plus log x base c dx. Ex power x is equal to t. Ex power x is equal to t. Taking log on both sides. Now x log ex. X log ex means log ex. Log x plus log e. Log e value is 1. Now log x plus 1. Now x into log of log x plus 1 is equal to log t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now apply uv. Now x into log x derivative 1 by x plus, okay, 1 plus log x into log x plus 1 into log x plus 1 into x derivative is 1 is equal to log t 1 by t dt by dx into dx is equal to 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt. Okay, now t value is ex power x. Ex power x. Now 2 plus log x base c dx is equal to dt. Now t value is e power x into x power x. Okay, now I is equal to 2 plus log x base c into dx is equal to dt. Now I is equal to integral 1 to 2 dt. Okay, now integral 1 to 2 dt. Okay, now for x is equal to 1. For x is equal to 1. For x is equal to 1 means t value is, okay, now changing the limits. Now t value is equal to e. Now for x is equal to 2. Now t is equal to, x is equal to 2 means 2e whole square. 4e square. Okay, now e to 4e square dt. Okay, now integral 1 dt means t. Now e 4e square. Okay, ul minus ll. Now 4e square minus e. 4e square minus e. Now e common 4e minus 1. Now e common 4e minus 1. Okay, option 4 is the correct one. Next one, the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed from all the letters of the word letter in which vowels never come together. Vowels never come together. Now integer type question. Now here given word letter. Okay, now vowels E, E. Vowels are 2. Next, remaining consonants. L, T, T, R. Consonants are 4. Okay, now here vowels never come together. Vowels never come together means first we arrange consonants L, T, T, R. Okay, 4 letters can be arranged in 4 places, 4 factorial by. Now 2 T's are alike by 2 factorial. Now there are 5 gaps between them. These 5 gaps can be filled with remaining vowels. 2 is 5P2. Now here 2 vowels are alike by 2 factorial. Therefore, required number of words is equal to, now 4 into 3. 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Now 5 into 4 by, now 2 into 1. Okay, now 12 into 10 is equal to 120. Is equal to 120. Next one, consider the statement for an integer n, if n cube minus 1 is even, then n is odd. The contrapositive statement of this statement is, okay, now contrapositive now P implies Q is, okay, let P and Q are two statements. The contrapositive of P implies Q is negation Q implies negation P. Negation Q implies negation P. Okay, now for any integer n, if n cube minus 1 is even, then n is odd. Here two statements is there. N cube minus 1 is even, n is odd. Okay, now P is equal to n cube minus 1 is even. Okay, now Q, n is odd. N is odd. Okay, now contrapositive of P implies Q. Negation Q implies negation P. Okay, for any integer n, for an integer n, for negation Q implies negation P. For an integer n, for an integer n, okay, now negation Q, if n is not Q means if n is not odd, not odd means n is even. If n is even, then not P means n cube minus 1 is not even, means n cube minus 1 is odd. N cube minus 1 is odd. Okay, now option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one.